Hello friends, today we will know why gold prices tend to rise during festivals. Gold prices tend to rise during festivals in India because of increased demand, cultural traditions, and economic factors. High demand during festivals. In countries like India, gold is considered auspicious and symbolizes wealth and prosperity. During festivals such as Diwali, Dhanteras, Akshaya Tritiya, and weddings, regions people buy gold jewelry, coins, and bars. This sudden spike in demand pushes prices upward because supply remains relatively fixed in the short term. For example, before Diwali, Indian households purchase gold for Lakshmi Puja. If the average monthly demand is 60 tons, it can increase to 100 plus tons in October and November loading, leading to a price rise. Cultural and religious significance. Gold is seen as a secure and pure asset in Indian and many Asian traditions. Buying gold during festival is believed to bring good luck and prosperity. On Akshaya Tritiya, a day considered highly auspicious for gold purchases, dwellers report sales jump to 30 to 50%, causing market prices to go up. Inflation hedge and safe investment. People prefer gold over other investments during festivals as a way to preserve wealth. Traders anticipate this seasonal demand and raise prices slightly in advance. If gold price is rupees 60,000 per 10 grams in September, it may increase to 61,500 to 62,000 rupees by Diwali due to anticipated buying rush. International factors add to the rise. Global gold prices also impact local prices. If demand in India and China, two largest consumers of gold, increases, international prices surge as well. Gold prices rise during festivals because cultural importance, people buy more gold, high seasonal demand, limited supply, and price increase. Safe asset perception is the reason behind a strong buying trend. Speculative anticipation, traders push prices up.